Some of the things about Wu Hao, some of the mistakes that people would make is, for example, lazy to tie coat. Make sure the finger it's at the eyebrow level. You know, if your right leg is forward, let's say your right leg is forward, right hand, make sure it's at the eyebrow level. Some people might do it this way, some people might do it that way. That's too much. And also make sure your left hand match with your elbow. Okay, so when you bring it down, you sit back. You sit in the back of your heel. Okay, if you lean back, that's wrong. Body's not straight. So you need to sit straight down and the butt tuck in a little bit. So don't tuck out. That's a mistake. That's a tuck out, that's a mistake. So tuck in and sit on your heel. Hands on this side. And you bring it down this way. And then your body shifting forward, using your hip to shift forward. Shift forward. So you shift forward and your hand gets shifted forward also. And then when you shift back, you bring your right hand, you match with your left hand. Again, make sure the hip area here is sitting on your heel. This is wrong. This is also wrong. That's bending forward. These are some of the mistakes that you might make. Okay, the other angle is the open close. When you do open close, make sure you're holding a ball like this. And you bring it down, the same thing. You bring it down, the same thing. You bring it down, the same thing. Bring it down, check to make sure you're sitting on your heel again. You bring both hands back, like you smooth in the air, smooth it out, bring it down, you do an open close, and you do a half step, and you bend your knees. Make sure your wrist is the same level as your shoulder. Okay, one more time. So you do open close, and you bend your knees. Make sure two of the knees are bent, and two of the knees are pointing towards this direction, and the hand get pushed in this direction. And also make sure you keep your body straight. If you do that, that's wrong. If you do that, that's wrong. If you do that, that's also wrong. That's pushing forward, but your butt's sticking down. So it should be a wall like this. It's like you're pushing a wall, the whole body goes straight. And pivoting, for example, the footwork. All right. When you step back, you shift back, and then you rotate on your heel this way. And then you shift to your right, and then automatically you turn your waist. This whole thing gets pivoted.